Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn to fix out of range message on your MSI monitor. How can you resolve it, refresh your rate, as well as how can you enter into your safe mode. Fix 1. Restart in safe mode. Turn off the PC, boot into Windows safe mode. Open display settings. Set the resolution to the monitor's recommended resolution. Set the refresh rate to a supported value like 60 Hz, 120 Hz, 144 Hz, etc. Fix 2. Change the refresh rate. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. Click on Advanced Display. Then choose a lower refresh rate supported by the monitor. Apply the changes. Fix 3. Check the resolution. Set the display to the monitor's native resolution 2560 into 1440 or 3840 into 2160. Fix 4. Check the cable. Make sure the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is connected securely. Try a different cable if available. Fix 5. Use another input port. Switch between HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C if supported. Select the correct input source from the monitor menu. Fix 6. Reset graphics settings. Open your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics control panel. Restore display settings to default. Fix 7. Reset the monitor. Press the menu or Navi button. Go to Settings, select Reset, then select Factory Reset. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.